Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be splicing fiber. The items you will need today is a fusion splicer, a fiber stripper, a cleaver, a strength membrane, and alcohol wipes, the last and foremost, your loading mechanism. So the first thing is you need to load your fiber onto the loading mechanism. So we're going to open this up, place your fiber onto the loading mechanism like this. Make sure it's in the grooves. There's grooves, if you can see. That's where your fiber fits in place. Then you close. So our next step is to strip our fiber with the fiber stripper. So we're gonna open it up like this, place our fiber in, and it should be just like that, and that should be good. As long as you have it like that, you're fine. Then see, this is straight, and then we are gonna close it. Make sure it sits flush with this part over here. It's flush and level, and it will close. So once you get it like that and you hold, you're gonna hear a beep. So once you hear that beep, you're gonna push hard and pull, and that's what's stripped our fiber. So now you open it up and you take this off, and our fiber has been stripped nicely. And the next step is we're gonna use some alcohol wipes to clean it. So we're gonna take some wipes and we are going to clean the surface. We're just gonna clean all around it. Probably I'll give it like 2 wipes. Clean any residue that was left on. Then that's it. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my cleaver and I'm gonna put the fiber onto the cleaver, which is gonna trim the fiber to a nice length. So I place it into there like this. That, then I'm gonna close this. So I hear the click, and there's a place over here where you're gonna push, and that's what's gonna trim the fiber for you. So here a click, your fiber's been trimmed. Now you can lift this, and now it's been trimmed to a decent size, so a decent length. And you can work with that. So now that this is done, we can take your other fiber and do the same steps. But now we have to add the strength membrane. So before doing anything else, you have to make sure you add this first. So we're gonna push it in and make sure that's in. And we're gonna repeat the same steps. So open the loading mechanism, place the fiber in the grooves, then close, just like that. Now we're gonna take our fiber stripper, open it, make sure to remove the stripped area away, and place it onto your fiber stripper, just like that. Now close and hold until you hear a beep. Now we hear the beep. Now we can push and pull. Now that we've done this, our fiber has been stripped and we have to clean it now. So So here's my alcohol wipes. I'll go on it like twice, over it like twice, and remove any excess. And I'll get my cleaver, put it in, close till I hear a click, and push. Now I can open this again, take my fiber out, and now it's been trimmed. Nice. Now the next step is I'm gonna grab my fusion splicer, open it up, and place my fiber in. Get my other one that I've done and make sure it goes in. Right, now I can close this and turn on my fusion splicer. Now that it's loading, I'll turn on. Now I press set. It's gonna do the adjustments for me. And that is what you want to see. That is a good loss, and that's like almost the best you can possibly get it. But you can get better than this. But if you get this, you'll be fine, and that's a thumbs up. So now you can open this. Now you want to open this up. Open this side up. And then we want to push our strength membrane on. Just like that. Push that on. And then we want to open this up. Use two hands. And place our fiber. Make sure it's centered and even. And then we place it in here. And close it. Now we are gonna press this button over here. And that's gonna do the heater time. And as you can see, the heat timer is on for 10 seconds now. And we'll wait for that to heat up. And that's what's gonna melt. It's like a heat shrink. And there, it's done. So now I can open this and take this off like this. And that's it. But I'll let it cool on the side over here. As you can see, I placed it after it's done heating. I've placed it onto the back over here to cool down. It takes a few seconds, but once that's done, you have successfully spliced your fiber. And there you go. So, thank you for watching.